It's late. The world is quiet. No notifications, no noise, no distractions. Just you and your thoughts. You're lying there, staring at the ceiling, feeling the weight of everything you haven't achieved yet. The goals you said you would reach by now, the promises you made to yourself, the expectations you feel from family, from society, from everyone. And the loudest voice in the room isn't outside, it's inside your own head. Why am I not further in life? Why does everything feel harder for me? What if I'm just not good enough? You try to ignore it. You scroll, you distract yourself. But when the room gets quiet, the doubts get loud. If that's where you are right now, mentally tired, emotionally drained, questioning yourself, then listen carefully, because what you think is the end of your road might actually be the beginning of who you're becoming. Part 1. You're not failing, you're learning how to carry weight. You wake up every day carrying invisible weight, pressure to succeed, pressure to make your parents proud, pressure to not waste your potential, pressure to have your life figured out already. And when you fall short, you don't just feel disappointed, you feel like you are the disappointment. But here's what nobody tells you. You were never supposed to have everything figured out this early. You were never meant to walk this path without struggle. You were never designed to grow without resistance. Think about how muscles grow. They grow by tearing, by being pushed past comfort, by being strained, by being challenged. Your mind, your character, your resilience, they grow the same way. The exhaustion you feel doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been strong for a long time. And being strong for a long time is tiring. So if you're tired, that doesn't make you a failure. It makes you human.
Part 2. The lie about success. You were shown a highlight reel of success your whole life. The graduation photo, the job offer announcement, the engagement picture, the business launch post. Nobody posts the panic attacks. Nobody uploads the rejection emails. Nobody shares the nights they cried on the bathroom floor wondering if they should quit. So you grow up believing successful people move forward without falling apart. That's the lie. Success is built on unseen breakdowns. Every confident person you admire has doubted themselves. Every skilled person you respect has once been terrible at what they do. Every strong person you look up to has had moments where they felt completely weak. The difference? They didn't stop during the ugly middle. And right now, you are in the middle. Not the beginning, not the end. The middle, where progress feels slow and results feel invisible. But the middle is where transformation happens. Part 3. You're comparing Chapter 3 to someone else's Chapter 20. You scroll through social media and see people your age traveling, earning, celebrating, achieving, and you think, I'm behind. But life doesn't run on a universal clock. Some people find direction at 18, some at 25, some at 40, some at 60. Some bloom early and fade early. Some grow slowly and become unshakable. You are not behind. You are on a path that is building something deeper than quick success. A bamboo tree spends years growing roots underground before it ever breaks through the surface. For years, nothing is visible. Then, suddenly, rapid growth. If you judge the bamboo during the underground phase, you'd think nothing is happening. But everything important is happening where no one can see. That might be your life right now. Root building, character building, discipline building, mental strength building. Invisible growth still counts. Part 4. Failure is not a dead end, it's a direction sign. Failure says, try a different approach, build more skill, be more patient, come back stronger. Failure is not life telling you no, it's life asking, how badly do you want this? If you never fail, it means you never tried anything difficult enough to grow you. Comfort never created confidence. Struggle does. Because every time you fall and stand back up, you send your brain a message: I can survive hard things. That belief becomes resilience, and resilience beats talent when talent gives up.
Part 5. The real battle is in your mind. There are two voices inside you. One says, quit, it's too late, you're not built for this. The other whispers, try one more time. The loud voice is fear. The quiet voice is growth. Fear shouts because it wants control. Growth whispers because it requires courage to follow. Every successful person you know had those same two voices. They just chose to listen to the quieter one consistently. Courage is not loud. It's not dramatic. Sometimes courage is simply opening the book when you don't feel like it, applying again after rejection, trying again after embarrassment. Small, brave choices repeated daily create extraordinary lives. Part 6. You don't need a huge leap. You need a small step. You keep waiting to feel motivated, but motivation comes after action, not before it. Start small. Study for 20 minutes. Exercise for 10. Work on your goal for half an hour. Small steps feel pointless in the moment, but stacked over days, weeks, months, they become transformation. You don't build confidence by thinking about success. You build confidence by keeping promises to yourself. Every time you do what you said you would do, your self-trust grows, and self-trust changes everything. Part 7. You are allowed to go slow. You don't have to rush your healing. You don't have to rush your progress. You don't have to rush your timeline. Slow progress is still progress. Resting is not quitting. Pausing is not failing. Taking time to rebuild is not weakness. Burnout happens when you try to sprint a marathon. You are allowed to walk as long as you don't turn around. Future you is counting on present you. Imagine yourself 5 years from now, stronger, calmer, more confident, living a life that feels stable and meaningful. That future version of you exists, but they can only exist if you don't quit right now. They are looking back at you in this moment and saying, please keep going. I know it's hard. I know you're tired, but I promise it's worth it. Your current pain is building future strength. Your discipline now is building future freedom. Your persistence now is building future pride. So here's your challenge. Not a huge life change, not a dramatic transformation, just one small step today. 1. Open the book, send the message, practice the skill, take the walk, write the plan, and tell yourself, I don't have to be perfect, I just have to continue. Because continuing, even slowly, is how people change their entire future. You are not too late. You are not too broken. You are not too far behind. You are in the middle of becoming someone stronger than you've ever been. This difficult season isn't here to destroy you. It's here to shape you. One day, you will look back at this time and realize, this wasn't when your life was falling apart. This was when your life was being rebuilt from the inside out. So breathe, stand up again, take one step, then another. You are not finished, you are becoming, and your greatest chapters are still ahead of you.